guys, birthday of 322 here. I really don't know why I'm recording this video. Yeah, so we'll find something to do. I guess we'll do a flash trade. So we're gonna do a flash trade party then, okay? Make sure my den is unlocked. Oh my gosh, this is lagging so bad. Flask trade party my den. Flask trade party my den. Mohawk giveaway my den. Flask trade party my den. Okay, well I guess we won't do that because I'm not that rare yet, you know? Oh my gosh, definitely. Awesome, I just got horns. Awesome, okay, well, did she really just do that? Oh my gosh, she's awesome. Wanna be my buddy? There you go. I'm recording. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna change my colors real quick. Put this awesome beard on and my antlers. No, it's gonna be that and that. I don't know what color's next. I just like to put all pink on for some reason sometimes. Pink sword. Now all we need is legs. Go to legs. What? I used to have a pink one of these. Well, I don't have anything for legs. Pink tail armor. I guess my other color will be purple. Yeah. So we are going to her giveaway. Well, no one's here, so we'll probably do, I don't know, guys, you really don't have to watch this because there's nothing to do. We'll go see what one of my buddies is doing. Let's see what Drama Queen's doing. Oh my gosh, Applenade's full. I'm gonna show you her den. Her den is awesome. I mean, seriously. She has wooden floors, a rocking horse, all these epic plushies. She has Cammy, 2013, 2014, and 2012 banners, geckos, beta mats, a small table, bongos. I mean, a cat banner, really? These four, I think two of them, I think this one and this one aren't rare, but these two are. And she has a lantern. I mean, she's like the rarest person in the world, next to like Lilac Petal and Julian too. If you guys know who he is, he's awesome. I've been trying to get into his den for days. If you guys have ever heard of Glue Pot, she says give people cookies all the time. She's awesome, so give her cookies, actually. She's my buddy. Give her cookies. Send her and me jamograms with presents in them because we like to do mail times, and we'll probably send you stuff back if it's a really good one. She has all kinds of awesome plushies. I have all the tigers except for this white one right here, and she has it. And I really want one of these ones right here. Next, I guess we'll go to Applenade, because she was just in there and it was full. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. There's one of my buddies in there. my color no skin. I gave one to. I want to spike color from the dimension. So yeah, guys. Things that I really want in my mail are headdress, horns like Arctic Wolf was wearing right over here. I want a spike, which I'm probably never gonna get. A New Year's party hat, and white glasses like that guy's wearing. So, yeah, that's basically it, guys. Goodbye.